I did a virtual photo shoot. And guys, like a little secret, this is my first ever photo shoot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying indoors or going outdoors. But I did the most craziest thing and the most fun thing till date in quarantine. I did a virtual photo shoot. What is virtual photo shoot? Basically, when these photographers, of course, we all are in quarantine, we were in self-quarantine. A lot of places the ban has lifted already, but being in New York, the ban is still there. So while we're in self-quarantine, there is just so much space and like so much creativity flowing. And what better use of creativity than to create art, right? So these photographers, they came up with this concept called virtual photography, where they call you on FaceTime or Google Duo, because these two have like the best camera quality and like the best pixels quality, and you actually do like a full proper photo shoot. I have dissected this entire photo shoot so that can help you. Even if you don't have like a professional photographer to do this shoot, it can help you or your friends. Firstly, you decide a location.
So one of the areas was this. I had a nice white background with nothing.
And the second location was this beautiful wall full of whale. Of course, these are artificial whales, but it is such a beautiful wall and it is created by me and my roommate Urvashi. The second part is choosing the outfit. I showed him 7 outfits. We went with one of the outfits, which was just like a blazer outfit, and I was so excited because this is something I've never done before. And it was a challenge for me. I wanted this look to basically be more like boss babe that try to take on the world from my bed. Because we're in quarantine, I can still take on the world from my bed as well. So that's the vibe that I was going for my second outfit, which I was shooting in this location, beautiful location that I'm standing right now. We thought of going for a party outfit, a party look. So I put on this nice white skirt and the silk top. I am loving everything silk right now. I'm obsessed with silk tops. Third part is the pose. You have to decide what's the pose and the vibe that you're going for. Based on the outfits, you can go for the vibe. In my first one, I was going for a boss babe vibe. It's very essential that you have the vibe decided in your head. Even if not, photographers are always there to help you. And the second look was a little party look, completely opposite of what I did in the morning. Just giving a full disclaimer, this champagne that you see is actually not champagne, it's just sparkling soda. Another tip I saw in Gossip Girl is when you have a champagne, if you want to keep the bubble alive, you actually put strawberries or any berries to just keep the fizz up. The fourth part is communication. There are some poses that you might like and some poses that might not actually work for you. If you can see in this video, I tried like 1,000 poses, but it just would not go with the vibe. And of course, you know your body the best, but photographers really know the pose and the vibe the best. So always a good thing to have a proper communication between you and the photographer to make sure that your vision is coming across and even their vision is coming across on the photos, because sometimes you just are their muse. And I've never done these hand poses before, to just like using my hands.
And the last part, shooting. Pose, everybody.
I always thought like posing is such an easy thing, but trust me, it is not that easy. Because ये pose करो, वो pose करो, यहाँ देखो, वहाँ देखो, chin up, chin down, it's a lot. Of course it's challenging, and that's why I love what I do. It's very, very challenging, and it forces me to move out of my comfort zone and try something different. So my advice would be, take it slow. Start by capturing yourself first on your phone. You don't even need like somebody else. Just in your room, start taking photos by yourself. If you are looking for a tutorial of how to take photos by yourself and what kind of things that are important to remember when you're taking your photos, I am going to link it up here somewhere so that you can go and check out my video where I talk in depth about how I click pictures by myself. And here are my 2 favorite shots that I absolutely love, and I wouldn't have been able to do it was it not for my photographer Dhruv and Rishi, who actually helped me create these beautiful images.
Hi, myself Rishi.
Hey, I'm Dhruv. I own One Motion Pictures located in Bhuj, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Mumbai and Delhi.
And I work as a freelancer photographer. We have worked with many artists, models, fashion designers, and bloggers located in
USA, UK, India, Indonesia, Poland, Russia, France and many more all over the globe. This idea of FaceTime photoshoot from one of the leading photographer Alicio LB was inspired us a lot.
So I can't post every picture in this video because otherwise this video would be like super long. So I do post a lot of my photos on Instagram, so come meet me there to see more such photos. And I also am gonna leave the photographer's handle down here or in the description box. I absolutely enjoy doing this and I would definitely do these virtual photo shoots again. And this is like the first time that I've done my entire intro and I'm talking about everything like standing, and I love it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little session. Get your friends up. Even if you're far away, you can totally do a virtual photo shoot with them. This is like a great idea even to gift your friend, especially during these quarantine months, who are far away, to just give them a virtual photo shoot. It will lift their mood up, and even you can be a photographer. All you need is like just a phone, few crazy, interesting, unique ideas where you can do a photo shoot by yourself. And I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found this informative. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and ask them to do a virtual photo shoot for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every single Friday. I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.